Ride these beautiful ferries around for maximum price is about $15 Australian, which is currently about $11 American. You can take the ferry up to Parramatta, about a 45-minute journey. I ride the light rail and the trains and the buses all day for about $1. When you go to a pub or a convenience store, you don't get ripped off. Prices are pretty similar on a lot of goods wherever you are in Australia. So Australia has a federalist system, but you don't have the dramatic variety of the United States. Laws are still pretty similar throughout Australia, as opposed to the differences between New York City and Alabama and Mississippi and Arkansas and Seattle. Because there's one culture, it's a lot easier to get things done. People agree on more things. There's less need for culture war and conflict. This is a country too busy having fun to hate, mate. People just want to be with their friends and their family, make money, pursue their hobbies, enjoy their gorgeous public spaces.